In this video, I will show you how to create a Moonton account for Mobile Legends. So the first step is to simply open Mobile Legends on your mobile device and then simply tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Then simply go to account and then here, as you can see, I have the option to connect my Moonton account. So you can either tap on this button or you can simply tap on switch account. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on switch account again and then tap on Moonton account. Now, as you can see here, if I go with this method, I'm gonna have to log in with my account. But since I don't have one, I need to create one. What I'm gonna have to do is simply close this and then tap on this button here. And as you can see, now I can basically create my account. So simply enter your email address. So I'm gonna enter my email and then you're gonna have to create a password. So let's create a password really fast. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on submit, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, a verification email has been sent to your email address. Please tap the link included in the email and complete the verification. So simply tap on check email. Now when you open your email, you're gonna see something similar to this. So all you have to do is simply tap on activate now and then simply choose any browser, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until this loads up, and as you can see, your account has been created. So now what you're gonna have to do next is simply open Mobile Legends. Now as you can see, when you open Mobile Legend and then you go to your profile and then go to account, as you can see, now we've linked our Moonton account. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.